They're so cute. Hi guys. Hey bubbies. Hi girls. Hi boys. Oh, you guys look so great. Hello, sweet cheeks. Hi kiddos. This is our litter from from Harmony and Garth. Puppies are 4.5 weeks old. These are our European Bassets from BellinghamBassets.com. Look at all those wrinkles. Where are you? Hey, Pumpkin Boy. Clarabelle. Clarabelle. Oh. You guys play. Clarabelle. Get him, Clarabelle. Go get him. Come here, Clyde. Come here, Clyde, buddy. Look at you. Here we have Chuck. Where you guys going? Hi, sweetie. Oh, you guys are adorable. Good doggies. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Cute stuff. Well, Clarabelle went way down there. Hey, sweetie.